Is your activation key not working in Windows 11? So in this short video, we will take a quick look at what you can do when the activation key is not working. Now to use the Windows 11 activation key, you need a stable internet connection. If you're experiencing internet issues, your internet may be slow for you to successfully use the activation key. So in order for you to fix this, you can try restarting your router or check your internet using a browser. But if that method did not work, check if that Windows is not already activated. To check it, open Settings, go to System, click About, choose Product Key and Activation, and check the status next to Activation Status. Now if the status is active, your problem stops here. This means that you're already activated. But for your last option, try to run the activation troubleshooter. To do so, go to Settings, select System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then find the activation troubleshooter and then click Run. Now if you don't see the activation troubleshooter, this only means that you have already activated Windows 11. So those are your possible fixes if your activation key is not working on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.